Accelerating, waiting for the takeoff speed. And you can see that's also South African Airways. Two DC-4s line. I haven't seen two DC-4s since about 40 years. Waiting for Refal. Now I've been walking a little bit earlier through the crowd, and I've gone to look at some of the exhibitions, and I must be, you know, everything I airport, and they're just saying goodbye. I've spent so many hours in the never in the front, so I must.
Master Alpha Uniform Bravo Outeniqua. One of the two that we have. DC-4 that came off the production line. And there she goes. And of course now, and Askari.
Okay, ladies.